You know, you have a thing at home, right? Small thing, you can get it from any store. We have it here, I guess. So, because you close to, you're talking together, so just want to make sure no one has it. So, yeah, just try to, drink your coffee, just sit separately, like it's better. Don't make, like waiting.
Maybe they need to start actually taking temperatures, like what we sign in for every day. Anybody pass? You take the temperature?
I check the temperature.
I think I saw a thermometer here once. I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Andy, how are you doing? Are you alive?
Yo.
What's up, Andy?
How you doing?
Good, good.
What you doing? You take a video?
Yeah, for my YouTube channel. Ready?
Porque no me ha pagado ni un día ni el overtime de la semana pasada. Usted tiene 32 horas, yo tengo 24. Y sin overtime, sin nada.
Alright guys, so Andy, here's what the school is going to show you. You're going to take off that one, and then you're going to go in the back. I'm going to show you the lintels. We have to scrape and paint the lintels. Cross street. I got to show you. Don't worry. So you can show you we're going to start making noise 4 o'clock. Please don't make noise before 4. Yeah, so grinding guys go to grinding. You have some parting? Yeah, you can go there. If I need something else, I'll let you know. Sabrina, she's gonna go inside. You're gonna go inside. I can let you know what to do. Angelo.
What the hell?
The one we changed this side. This side. You're gonna see the both sides of the cut. So you can maybe stop already and we can start them. They will right? All the windows. The lentils, we have spec change.
Where you going? Donato, where you going?
The only thing, don't paint the window. You know what that. Huh? Right now, window guard, we have sparks in the inside.
I came prepared today. First task of the day, I've been tasked with going inside of the school to clean a little bit. Apparently when they were installing the windows yesterday, they left a little bit of dust. The guys that cleaned up after them, our guys, I guess they may have missed a spot or something, but there's complaints from the school that there's some dust still left in the bathrooms that they were installing the windows. So I've been tasked to go in, and I got my rags here and Windex and some caution tape to caution off the area. And I'm headed right now to get a badge to be able to go into the school to clean that area up. And after I'm done with that, I'll take some pictures, send it to my supervisor, and let him know that I'm done with that. And I'll let you guys know what I'll be doing next. Okay, so change of plans. No longer going to be cleaning the bathrooms. I was told to move to a different location, so that's where I'm heading right now, outside of the school. I'm going to clean the bridge of the scaffold. I'm going to show you what that is in a minute. Alright, let's go. This is the bridge, pretty much the overhead of the scaffold that you guys walk under on the street or whatever. If you ever walk under a scaffold, this is what it looks like on top. This is called the bridge. So I gotta clean under here, which is on top of the bridge, but under the scaffold all the way down. As you can see, it's really messy and it's really loud. So yeah, it's really dirty. See, look over there. All of that, I gotta clean all of that. Yeah, so this is where I'm gonna be. I got my broom, shovel, my bucket, and I'm gonna fill up the bucket and then dump it over here into that container. So this should occupy me until lunch. And I'll update you guys later if there's any change. coffee break, guys. It's 5:30. We start at 3:30 and we take coffee at 5:30. We take lunch at 7:45 and we leave at like 11:45. So right now it's about 5:30, almost 5:35. About to take my coffee break and then I'm gonna get back to sweeping the bridge because that's what I'm still doing. All right. Finally on lunch break. It is now 7:55 and I'm just now settled. I'm in the school, sitting down. This area is where I always sit. I come inside. The door to outside is right there. I come in, sit down here, and I have my lunch, which is this chicken salad wrap from Trader Joe's and some orange juice, well, whatever's left of it. I got water if I need, and then I'm just gonna be on my phone until break is over because break is gonna be over at like 8:30. So after that, I may go back and finish off cleaning the bridge. I don't know what he wants. I'll let him know. I'm almost done over there, and then yeah, we'll see where we're going next. Whew, damn, I'm tired. Hey guys, I'll update you after lunch. Bye. On the scaffold, cleaning the upper level. I'm gonna show you guys where I just finished cleaning up here, this whole level, a little bit down here, and I gotta go all the way down. There's about 2 more levels to the bottom. I gotta go down. So this is where we are. We're almost to the top of the scaffold, not quite, and I gotta keep cleaning on this side only, going all the way down. So yeah, checking with you guys after that. It's almost time to go. Like I said, we leave at 11:45, so right now it is probably like almost 10, so almost over. Okay guys, so last time we spoke, I was finishing up cleaning the top deck of the scaffold. After that, I had to go clean the entrance of the school because there was some debris that had fallen down. Yeah, and that was the end of my day. After that, I dipped out. I just left. Actually, I'm at the train station currently, waiting on my train. My train should be here soon, and then I'll be on my way home. I am so tired, y'all. Tired. Anyway, see, let me show you guys. Waiting on my train to come. Then I gotta catch a bus. Whew, child. Why couldn't I be born into a rich family so I wouldn't have to work for money? I'm over this working for money life. Like, I'm over it. Over it. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me for this quick glance into my workday.